How to create a Facebook business page step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with creating your own Facebook business page. So let's get into it. Now, every business needs an online representation on social media platforms, and Facebook is a very essential part of that. So to get started, simply click on your menu on the top right over here and click on page. Once you do that, this will begin your creation process. So first off, on the left side of your screen, you're going to enter the name of your page. Let's say that the page that I want to create is maybe for a lash studio. So I will simply enter the name of my business. So whatever name it might be, let's say it's Jane's Lash Studio. So once I have entered my business name, enter the category. So we have beauty, beauty salon, beauty shop. So try to choose whatever is the most accurate to your business, because this business has a physical location. Then I might want to add beauty salon. If I supply items, if I send items out, if I'm more focused on selling product, then I might want to label myself as a beauty supply shop or supplier. But I will simply add this as a beauty salon. And you can enter multiple different categories. So we have maybe beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. And we also might be under the health and beauty realm. So I'm going to add 3 basic categories. You don't want to over categorize your business, but you want to add all of the basic categories that apply. After that, you have to enter your bio. Your bio should be an illustration of what your business is about. So we're just going to enter a simple, descriptive, yet concise bio. So as you guys saw, at first I started off with we at, so I just removed that because that was just extra text, and I'm just going to enter this basic bio, and I will click on create page over here, and this will create my page on Facebook. Now, I have logged on by my Facebook account. Whatever Facebook account that you use to create your business, to create this page will be the one that is the administrator. So you want to make sure you do that with the correct Facebook account. Now, after that, you can link your website. Now, I'm going to leave this empty for now, but in the contact section, you're going to link your website. You're going to enter the relevant phone number. So whatever is the phone number that is being used at the site of your business. So at my lash studio, whatever the phone number for that place is, usually it's the phone number that is used to take appointments or bookings, so on and so forth. You want to enter that phone number over here and then enter a email address for your business. If you don't have an email address, you can skip that, but if you do, then make sure to enter that. Then you're going to enter your location. So let's say you're going to enter your location, and then you can enter your hours. So make sure you're entering your hours, because people really like to check up before they visit a place. So make sure you have entered your hours. So first off, I'm just going to enter my opening and closing hours. So in this way, you're just going to enter all your opening and closing hours. I'm just doing this at random, but if you want to enter breaks as well, so let's say I open shop at 10 and then I take a break at 3. So I can enter 10 to 3, and then I will simply click on add over here, and then I can enter the second time that I open. So let's say after 3, maybe I reopen at 9:30, and so on and so forth. So you can enter breaks in your timings as well. Once you've done that, you're going to click on save, and then you're going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, this will be the second step. So you have to add your profile picture and cover photo. Now, your profile picture usually should be a logo or representation of your business, and the cover photo can be a picture of your location or a picture of the services you provide. You can use a platform like Canva to design your logo. So simply head on over to Canva, search for logo over here, and there are a bunch of different logo templates that you can choose from to begin adding to your business. So there are so many different kinds of templates you can choose, and I will simply choose a beauty related template and customize it to show you guys how you're going to create yours. So I'm going to take this template over here. So I'm entering just the basic text, and you can enter more illustrations if you want, but I'm just going to save this as it is because I think it looks nice. And I'm going to use this as the profile picture. You want to make sure that your profile picture is illustrative of your business, or illustrates the logo of your business. Make sure you're entering something that works well with the aesthetic of your business, and you can enter a cover photo in the same fashion. So you can go onto Canva and search for Facebook cover. So you can just search for Facebook cover, and you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. And if I go on over to this template over here, I can customize this with my own images as well. So I'm just going to search for eyelash and I'm going to enter pictures of my services instead of these little grids over here, just to better illustrate my business, like so. And then I will just click on share. I can, change the text however I want. And once I've done that, I will click on add cover photo and then I can enter this photo. So once you've entered your cover photo, you're just going to click on next over here. And once you've done that, you are almost on the last section of your page building where you can invite friends, but we're just going to continue on with that. And then you can choose to turn on email notifications or, notifications for your Facebook page as well. So in this way, you have a professional Facebook business page. Now, after that, what I recommend you begin to do is you can see this is going to be your page now. So this is our page setup now. And then you can click on promote to begin promoting your Facebook page. You can also enter a welcome post. You can add a action button where people can, it could be a call to action to purchase a product or to visit your store, or you can provide like a 10% discount to people just so it's more incentive for people to interact with your Facebook page. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.